All materials you are cutting today at your sliding table saw, you can cut on a handguard machine. So if we are talking about plastics, aluminum or green wood, all the things are possible on the handguard machine. Because we are only detecting the position of the hand, we are not detecting materials. We have special handguard gloves in orange, and you can work with these if it's allowed in your country. I hope you get a lot of information about our handguard sliding table saw of the next generation. The intelligent camera system will support your specialists, unskilled workers and also the newcomers. Handguard has no limits about productivity, and it will automatically train your workers for a safer behavior around the sliding table saw. Your valuable workers will be protected and feel much safer.